team yangu ndepi muguda say tadzoka zvekare zviri kupisa na skimbo pandana chiri kupisa pa team yangu pasata pinda mnyedo kamongo bayichi subscribe button musasare chi pane zvinge zvichitika anditi saka na wiri pana pandana nyaya mkomana anetsa nonzi Simba Java Simba Java mkoma wa Passion Java twabamba saka Simba akambobuda achimboretsana na Passion Java chichichi padera zvakasta boss zvakazowirana but Simba manje azobuda yakuzvanzwa ni Prophet Tifred wakumunetsa kuti yoda kuti uchuke Passion Java anzi anonzi J Israel chichichi saka iya kutoro zvanzi fake prophets but still mbo should now chukozvinzwere mega Simba Java chitaura nyaya yake.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Simba Java, blood brother to Prophet Passion Java again. Hamadzango, I'm coming in with a bad mood. Can I sell it a bad mood? I'm not happy at all about what is happening in the cycle of this church thing, because now the issue I want to talk about, I don't want to waste your time. Today I'm not wasting any time. I'm not doing any gimmicks. I'm not entertaining anything. I'm talking to you guys. You know what, I didn't want to say this. Prophet Israel, leave me alone. Stop texting me. Stop nagging me on my Instagram, on my Facebook, on my Twitter. Stop nagging me, which is some SMS, where you are saying I must hammer my brother, I must make my brother to fall down, I must make my brother to go down. I cannot afford to do that. Ndingave ndine squabble randakaita nemwana wamai vangu Prophet Passion Java, but it doesn't imply kuti he is my enemy, even though asina kundibatsira J Israel as nenewe. You are writing message to say I must hammer my brother, I must talk bad and revealing our events. What are you talking about? Just leave me alone. And it gets J Israel, I don't need even your 10 rand. I cannot sacrifice 20,000 rands that you are promising me. Prophet Passion Java. I cannot do that. Leave me alone, Prophet. I cannot. You are not entitled to be a prophet. I've lost your respect. I used to follow you. Prophet Passion Java. You put messages. You put the videos saying I must neglect my brother Prophet Passion Java. I must go on social media to reveal bad things. You are saying good my village now Prophet Passion Java, so that you fulfill your personal ambitions. I cannot do that. And that I must make my young brother to go down. And you are promising me 20,000 for me to bury Passion. Passion and to create my stories. I cannot do that. Myself and Prophet Passion will resolve this issue amicably. Who are you to enter in our family affairs, to the Java family affairs? Leave that boy alone. Leave Twabam alone. We resolved our issues amicably. All is done. He has endorsed me to do my reality show. He is willing to support me. He is willing to buy me a car. He said it openly in front of the whole family that you assist me when it comes to social media, whereby I'll be educating people. I've got a degree, I'm a civil engineer. I also did sociology. I've opened a reality show which is something to do with civil society. It doesn't have to do with hammering my prophets. I have to hammer my prophets. J Israel, you are not a pastor, you are not a prophet. You're playing gimmicks. You are using unscrupulous ways so that you can gun people. You can gun my multitudes through using me. You cannot use me. Who are you? Stay with your money. If it means I will remain poor, I cannot keep on hammering my brother. You are saying to me I must go and hammer my brother to say Simba, the Prophet Passion is indulging in a relationship with whoever girl, with this girl, with this girl, with this girl, which is a lie. Prophet Passion doesn't drink. Prophet Passion, but all is over. So my word to you, J Israel, I would want you to stay away. And I will block right now. I've blocked you on my Instagram. I've blocked you on my Facebook. I've blocked you right now on my WhatsApp, because you are becoming a nuisance. You are a nuisance. Leave my family alone. Leave my brother alone. Passion is my brother. He is my brother, and you remain my brother. So stop nagging me, stop doing all those things. And now to Prophet the so-called Tifredi. Prophet Tifredi, ndinema evidence. Argunyora iye pa Facebook page, pa argunyora iye ma Facebook messages, pa message, pa argunyora iye ma SMS, nema WhatsApp achiti inini. I must stop the reality show that I need to launch because I'm exposing the prophet. Who are you, Tifredi? Leave me alone. Tifredi, you are a false prophet. Everyone knows. Last week, through the blog Rakunda Chitima, you can do penis enlargement, which is a yao. You don't do all those things. You are fake. So stop sending my message to Inini, I'll get killed, or Inini, actually, Hirama tags, like a Rambanji exposer, wrongdoings in a prophet like him. You are a false prophet, Tifredi. Leave me alone. Stop texting me. And leave me alone. I'm not going I'm not going to get relaxed. I'm not going to keep quiet until Zimbabwe they're being robbed, the hard-earned money, the economic situation in Zimbabwe is so dire. So I don't want anything to do with you, Tifredi. Proceed. My messages, but I'm not going to leave my reality show. So ladies and gentlemen, check out on my reality show that I have launched. They will spread the word so that I can expose unscrupulous people like J. Israel, like Tifredi. J. Israel is not a pastor, he's not a prophet. Leave people alone. Whoever church, I'm not there to judge. They used my scriptures to touch not my anointed ones, do no harm to my prophets. Amos. The Lord does nothing until he reveals his secrets to his servants, the prophets. People of Zimbabwe, the high time that you know the truth is the high time. You must not be fooled. Do not be fooled. Zimbabwean people, do not be fooled. And all the Zimbabwean, the diasporans around. Jerai, Baba Guti, I told you, please help these youngsters. And Tifredi, they are misleading the people, they are leading people to the hell. So leave me alone, Tifredi. I'm not going to bow down to say I'm not going to do my TV show.
Hey Bambo, Madam Tambenen, Apo Wakuara Manji Waroa Meni, Yewe, Wapo Pusa Manji, Burukwara Totasi Wagarira Janje, Chico, Amamo, 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 ndakakuta bhebi remunhu ari batwe iwe nenharo waitodo namarutwe unozviti ndinapa wadamburwa muswe usandiudze zvekunyepa maziso kwakatsuka wakarohwa mbama ramba tinza chiredzi chaida kuchururuka mudumbu mako makabva masununguka nemabhanangana poto ndoukudubuka iwe ndakaona bhebi rakukubuka zvanga zvakuomera wakatadza kusimuka usarambe ndovaudza vasiye siniye munhu usachive wamama manje wakuvara skiriye kutsara vanhu wakajaira ukuudza ndina nhungo tivarega vanozokutora gumbo chiona manje amamo
musara mchiona video of the week kubva kuna Papa Steko nombokusiyai muri munyasha dzegospel chichichichi. Keep on subscribing. Shiri kupisa na skimbo muri kwera uko handitona shekurama ndichivhingidzwa nezvinore magore rinokweta ndichada zvimwe zvacho nokufarira kuona ndichipemha mwaka unokweta ndichada mabuya mukandekuda kuvata panopemha mwaka unokweta ndichada makore anofamba vamwe vachitomereta mwaka unokweta ndichada makore anofamba vamwe vachitomereta gore rinokweta ndichada